Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your Safari's homepage. So how you can change things, like if you want to remove this, or you want to bring this down, or you want to bring this up. So how can you do it? Let me show you guys. So first you need to press this edit button, and from here there are so many options, as you can see. If you want to remove your favorites from your home screen, just you need to tap this, and as you can see the favorite is gone. And if you don't want to, just keep it. If you want to remove this frequent visit, you can remove this. Or if you want to make the favorite go down, you need to click the three lines, and from here you can drag this wherever you want, right? So if you want a background, so from here you just choose this and select any background you want. For example, I want to choose, okay, let's choose this. Yeah, so that's how you customize your Safari's front page.